What is up, everybody? My name is Dane Thompson. Welcome back to another episode of BurnDown. So, it is Sunday morning, not terribly early, but early enough that we're going to beat the heat. So what I want to do this morning is actually take the Maliboom out. I finally put insurance on the car, and I'd like to cruise it around because finally next weekend there's a open test in tune. Happens to be the day before my birthday, so that's what we're going to do to celebrate. And I want to get some of the mid-fueling and stuff kind of lined out. I've driven the car around a little bit. I had an oil leak issue. We got that corrected. So this morning I've got some new sensors up here that I got in from good old eBay. So we can put the new oil pressure sensor in, scale that, make sure that thing works. Throw the other ones in the glove box just in case we have any issues. And then I just want to kind of drive around. Sunday morning is usually good for that because people are sleeping in because they're hungover or lazy, or they're like at church and they're not around. Granted, these days they're probably not at church, so most people are just sleeping in. So I am not. The road should be wide open. Then I can kind of do what I got to do, jump on and off the freeway, cruise around, and the second big thing is we kind of beat the heat. Summer finally showed up in California. It's supposed to be triple digits for like the next 4 days or something. So let's get right to it before it gets too hot. Then we can go make some passes. I'll bring you guys along. We'll just, like I said, drive around, do a couple little blasts, jump on the freeway, maybe go grab some coffee, and then we'll wrap this adventure up. But I'm excited to get out. And that's the thing with building cars, guys, is you got to use it. The hard part with the jack stand queen project, it just sits on jack stands and you throw all those expensive parts at it. You get excited when the part shows up and then you get sad because you just put it on the shelf. So if you got a car, runs and drives, maybe it's not the fastest, maybe it's not the prettiest thing. If you're out there driving it, you're going to have that attachment and realize why you do it, because even I get sick of these things. Let's be honest, the Twinnebago is just testing me with everything it's got. So yeah, these long-term projects are tough to get through, and you start grinding at a certain point. So live a little, have a little fun. Take your car out. Maybe it's not the prettiest, maybe it's not the fastest. You know, drive it with the windows up, hide. Go out early so your friends don't see you. I don't know, it's like a scooter. You just get on the thing, smile a little, and live a little. So let's back this thing up, put some air pressure in the tires. They're still low from last time at the track. Load the trusty laptop, we'll throw you guys in there. We'll cruise around for a little bit. Alright, here she is. Let's dust off the windows. I'll put all the windows and stuff down anyway. It's been sitting for a while. Let's say, I don't know, 3 days, 4 days maybe, since I moved it. We're gonna find out today. Oil pressure good. Alright, that should be close enough. I need air in the rear tires. So I'm sure the neighbors are excited. We got compressors, we've got race cars running. It's a beautiful little Sunday. And your sensor out, let's make sure it doesn't leak. Okay, new sensors in, working. Let me close up shop, grab my laptop, throw a tune in it. Let's hit the road. Alright, first stop is get some fuel. Woo, it's already warm and sticky, boys. Gonna put some cord in this guy. Fuel gauge says we're dangerously low. All right. Let's see how accurate the gauge is. It said that you're pretty darn low. Oh, it's pretty accurate. Oh, maybe not. We got maybe a quarter of a tank. So the gauge is lying to me. We got to adjust that. All right, as soon as we put some corn in, we'll get out of here. I'm just gonna fill it up, and then we don't have to worry about it. Okay, real quick on everything. We still look good. Everybody's happy. No party going on under there. Let's get out of here. On the freeway real quick. A couple of the cars though, so just take it easy. Take it easy. Way to be legal and make some small passes, I guess. Alright, nobody's in my way this time. Like 8 pounds. I only have a few pounds. I took all the pressure off from the dyno and all that, just so we can make some pulls and see what the fuel's doing. So, oil pressure, coolant, everybody looks happy. Fuel pressure. So I think it's doing all right. Another highway control, man. That's like the third or fourth dude I've seen. Probably not writing tickets, I guess. This thing's a might be 4 or 5. Unless that was a different guy. Yeah, I don't feel good about that. I'll drive like a normal human being and we'll go back home with no tickets this morning. Get some coffee. So that's my buddy Chris's shop. And this little said he's supposed to be working on it outside. So I know you're not there, Chris. So you're gonna fix yourself over it. Alright. We'll make one more on-ramp. We'll get coffee. One more on-ramp. We'll go home. I spent 30 minutes at the gas station talking to a guy that freaked out about the car. And my coffee's getting warm. We're gonna make a blast and go home. Freeway, on-ramp, off-ramp. The sun's already coming up, getting hot. And kind of take a look at this thing and give you guys some final thoughts on it. So let's get out of here. That was a fun little rip. This thing is on 0 boost, but we'll see what the fuel's doing. I actually downloaded that time. All right, well, we made it back in one piece. It's not leaking fluids yet. Our new $13, $14 eBay fuel sensor worked, or the oil pressure sensor, and then I got 2 more. We'll just throw them in the glove box. That way, if I have issues at the track or wherever, hopefully we can just swap it out. I should probably leave like a crescent wrench in there too, but yeah, it did good. I spent like 15 or 20 minutes at the gas station. I was trying to leave and wrap it up. There's a dude named David that hit me up, and he saw the car roll in, and then I think he kind of put 2 and 2 together, so he asked me what it was powered by. Then of course he has a Blazer, and it was all downhill. We were talking after that or whatever. So happy with the car. Looks like it has a bunch of fuel in it, so I'll have to go through the fuel map and kind of even it out, but everywhere the fuel got to, it was just pulling a ton of fuel out. So we'll mess with that. I think I had on like 7 or 8 pounds. Nothing crazy on the boost. We'll have to see where that was, and then I think we may have to change the spring before we hit the track next time, but I should have about 9 pounds, 10 pounds of spring in here. We'll have to see. I'll see what it was doing on the logs, make sure it's good. But yeah, we got to hit somewhere around the 20 mark with this thing to have a little fun. So that's it. I'm happy with it. Seems to run decent. We're going to take it out hopefully this coming weekend, so we'll see what it does. And I don't think I'll be able to hit the dyno in between now and then, so we'll just use the good old track as the dyno, and we'll just see how fast it goes, and hopefully it stays in one piece. But you guys know what to do. Like, subscribe, share. Till next time, I'm out.